Hey guys, headed out to the backyard to do some weeding, not weeding, weed whacking is what I'm going to do, weed whacking. So let's get started. These are coming in nicely. I want to move some of these lilies back there, fill in up here, because they won't stay around long. They don't last that long. So I want to move some of those here in this space. And also put a couple other plants in there. Something with some color.
Time to buy some new plants, mostly perennials. I don't want to mess around with too many annuals. To me, it's just a waste of money. So got to get something with some color. Definitely time to go shopping for some plants. I'll take you guys along with me.
Just left. Well, I didn't just leave, but I'm at a gas station, and right behind me there is someone selling flowers. Let me turn you guys around. It's over there. You can see. So, just bought some flowers. This is what I got. I got some dahlias and what did she say the other one was? Begonias, petunias. I can't even remember what the name of this thing is. But the yellow ones are dahlias. So put these in my car. I'm gonna put these in the trunk of the car. I'm gonna come home. But I forget what you said they are. But prices weren't that bad. The begonias, the dahlias were $8 for this big pot like this. It's really nice. And this one was $8. It really turns out to be like 2 plants in one. I gotta ask the lady what this is. Let me go back over it. I want to ask her what that is. I can't be sure because it doesn't say it on here. It's the name of the farm. It doesn't say it on there, so I can't recall. So I want to be able to tell you guys what it is before I plant it up. So let me ask her again. All right, I'm back. What did you say that second plant was? I got two dahlias, and what was that other one? They had 2 plants in one. Where is it?
Oh, that was the begonia.
Okay, thank you.
Begonia.
I want to know what I'm planting. Thank you.
So, the begonias, not too much sun.
Yeah, I was going for the shade. I have a rock garden in the back.
Okay.
That's like part shade,
Yeah.
and most shade, really.
That's perfect for begonias.
Yeah. Okay.
And don't overwater them.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, so it's begonias. She's got a lot of plants out here too. I don't know what this thing is, so this is really nice. This is really nice. So, all right, I'm gonna head home. I was headed to Home Depot and I saw this, so I thought I'd stop. Anyway, let me get out of here. Plants were a lot cheaper than the ones I bought the other day from my great niece's school. But you know, the other day the PTA was selling them, so it was for a good cause. All right, hang on, guys. So I want to show you guys something. I just got home from that gas station, buying those plants, and like hubby bought me something. Let me turn you around and let you see. What is that? What is that? It's hydrangea. Hubby bought this. He heard me say that I wanted some color back here in the rock garden. So he bought me a hydrangea plant. It's beautiful. Look at that. And those are the plants that I just bought from the gas station florist. Actually, it's a farm. I guess it's a farm in Chester. What's the name of the farm again? Hang on. Grown by ZINFF Farms in Cheshire, Connecticut. Shout out to ZINFF Farms in Cheshire, Connecticut. Beautiful flowers. But look at my hydrangea that hubby bought for Mother's Day. That's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's going to be nice back here. I've got to read up on what's the best place to put this. I don't want to mess up with this hydrangea. It's so beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So I'll come back out later. But I just wanted to share that hydrangea again. I'm at Lowe's. Columbine. Blue Note Pincushion flower. Oh, I think there's a bee. Oh, I want an azalea. I want to put an azalea in my let me get a cart. Let me get a cart. I need to get a cart. So these pink azaleas, I think I'm gonna get. Scarlet. They're all scarlet, scarlet, scarlet. However, this one is pinky, and I should get it because it's already flowering. That pop of pink is going to be nice.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Leaving load. Got a few things, and I'll show you when we get back to the house. I was looking for more of perennials. I'm gonna stop buying these annuals, and it's kind of like a waste of money. Thank you. Really, it's kind of like a waste of money. So, so we're gonna get back to the house, and I don't know when I'm going to get these planted up, but I will certainly bring you along. Okay, somebody's music is playing loudly in the background, so I hope I don't get a copyright strike with this. Oh gosh, music is really loud. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody is doing well. And first really, really nice day in a while, man. It's been raining terribly. All right, let's get these plants in the car. Thank you so much.
So I got 2 azaleas, a begonia, and 2 dahlias, and I'm praying that it stops raining so I can finally get these plants in the ground. Stay tuned.